People are making thousands, even millions, of dollars by trading. You can too, but only if you understand the right strategy. Watch this video until the end because I'll show you a simple. First, we draw a support level. Next, we draw a trend line. Now we wait patiently. Price sweeps the buy-side liquidity above the trend line. This is a liquidity sweep, and many buyers get trapped by entering too early. Instead of chasing the breakout, we wait for smart money to show its hand. Once price rejects the sweep, this becomes our entry zone. Our target is the previous swing high. This strategy helps you avoid fake breakouts and trade with smart money instead of the crowd. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money trading strategies. Now let's see how this trade played out. And let me know in the comments, what trading topic should I cover next?